Good morning and happy Thursday. Today is Thursday, September 15th, 2022. Today I'll walk us through our day together and tell you a little bit more about our schedule starting next week. Let's take a look at today's links, which will also show you a schedule for today. Today we also have 4 assignments, just like we have all week. The first assignment is another SEL class, Social Emotional Learning. You will open the Emotional Wellness Nearpod on the link on Schoology. Try your best to answer the questions and then turn in. Number 2, Social Studies, Communities. We're still learning about our communities and how we can learn from and in our communities. You'll watch the video, Types of Communities, draw a picture of at least 3 communities you are a part of, and upload a picture of your work. That was a loud truck by my house. The third class, Science, Backyard Phenology. First, I'd like you to open Tuesday's folder from a couple days ago and click on the discussion. If you haven't posted, please do that. Then respond to another person's post. And then on Epic, I'd like you to tell me about one of your favorite books. So go on Epic, search for an awesome book that you really like, and then in your notebook, I'll have you write a couple questions. Not questions, a couple sentences. I'm sorry. I'm still waking up this morning. All right, so let's take a closer look. SEL, Social Emotional Learning. It will take you to a Nearpod. There are recordings of my voice on each of the slides to help you with your reading, okay? Communities. It says first watch the video, Types of Communities. It's right here. You'll learn about different communities that you are a part of. I'd like you to draw a picture of 3 or more communities that you are a part of. Be creative. Here's a picture of my example. So, Mrs. Lizet's communities. I drew a picture of the state of Minnesota to show that's where I live. Minnesota is in the greater community of the United States and North America. I live in the community of Minneapolis. I live in Northeast Minneapolis. This is my blue house. I'm also a part of the teaching community. I also have a community with my book club and my family. Okay. Now in science, you're going to go back to our Tuesday folder. Open the folder from Tuesday, click Science Discussion. If you haven't posted, do that, and then respond to another person's post. Here are some ideas of responses. I also see, outside. I think in the winter, will change by, I like your ideas. What kind of animals did you see? So we'll go back to Tuesday, our orange folder. I'm going to scroll down to Science Discussion. And I'm going to go over to this side to see the discussion part. Here I can see other students' comments and I can like them, I can reply to them. So let's pretend that I'm going to respond to Colin. He said, outside I saw leaves that are different colors. There were 4 animals, a dog, a squirrel, a rabbit, and a bird. A month from now there's going to be a lot of leaves on the ground. So maybe I wonder, what colors were the leaves that you saw? Is the dog yours? So I'll click on Colin's response, click reply, and I can type my response. Okay. Our last part today is reading. Open the Epic app. Search for an awesome book that you really like. In your notebook, finish the following sentences about your book. The title of my book is, I like this book because, my favorite part of the book is, and then I want you to give your book a rating. I would give this book blank out of 10 stars because, You can take a screenshot of your book. You can take a picture of your writing. It's up to you today. Well, I hope that you have a wonderful day of learning. I'm so excited to meet with some of you this afternoon and all of you next week. I'm going to show you a quick preview of our schedule. I'll also send this to your parents. So this will be my teaching schedule starting next week. We'll start the morning with a morning meeting for all students, kindergarten through 6th grade. So if you have older brothers and sisters in our school, they'll join us too. At 9:30, I'll meet with Reading Group 1, John, for reading. At 10:15, I'll meet with Reading Group 2. And these are every day. Oh, whoops. I made a little mistake. This should say Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. 3 days a week on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. I'll meet with all math groups. And these yellow boxes are when I'll meet with students and their parents to talk about our learning together. We'll learn more about this schedule soon. I hope that you have a great day of learning, and I'll see you soon.